The ruin you can see here was my parents' house, and now that's all that's left of it. Just before the earthquake, my parents had come back from Mecca. They had brought back lots of presents for the family and friends.
A terrible mystery gripping the world right now. Birds, fish, and all kinds of creatures just dropping dead in huge numbers for what seems like no reason.
You'd need to do necropsies, which is an autopsy, but on an animal. A lot of the specimens have been decomposed. You want to look at the organs. I know that they've been finding hemorrhagic lesions, which is just basically big bruises. They've been finding bubbles in the blood-filled oil and kidney, which is consistent with an acoustic trauma. They've been finding that some of the acoustic bones in these animals' heads have been fractured. So that's one hypothesis, that it could be an acoustic trauma to the animals.
So when we look at these